You said she left the door open a crack. Did you happen to see her face?
No. And they're right.
Wait, her left leg?
Yes.
All right, so she already had the injuries to the right side of her face.
Se me perdió.
The door conceals that from him, and as he
Es chiquitito.
Present from your friend Mr. Valenzuela by order of the court. This is like going anyplace before this thing's over.
Gentlemen, welcome. Aller? And this is Frank Levin. Mr. Levin is my investigator who's using on additional. Of course. Gentlemen, this is Mary Winter, Mr. Howard. Pleasure to meet you. How do you do? I'm fine, thank you. This is Frank Levin, my investigator.
The charges against my son are ridiculous. So is that woman. Here's a check for Mr. Howard.
This is going to come from your son, Mrs. Stranger. You can give him the money he can check, but it must come from him. He's my client. That has to be clear from the start. I can't thank you enough for being here. Sincerely, it's good to know that you're going to be there when we need you.
But not now. Is that it?
No. The DA can make you testify about what you hear. Attorney privilege does not cover you. She's not used to being told what to do. I can read that.
So how fast can I go to trial? My office behind me.